2018 Yamaha MT-10. It's been in for a full ECU remap. We also have supplied and fitted this Scorpion decat pipe, which does fit to his standard end cam, which looks pretty good and sounds absolutely awesome. So we're going to do the final run now, and then we'll talk through everything what we've done and achieved. Right, so when we started mapping, we did a base run obviously with the standard exhaust, and it read 138 brake horsepower, which is the blue line as you can see. Power curve were just all over the place, fueling exactly the same, really lean, low down, and then tailed off really rich to the top end. So we then fitted the decat, and then with a full ECU remap, we've got 151, just over 151 horsepower, so a gain of over 13 horsepower. That is more or less all the way through as well. There's just over 10 horsepower mid-range sort of here as well, so yeah, it should be a million times better. And as you can see, fueling wise, it's absolutely bob on now, so rides a lot better, accelerates so much better as well, and there's none of that horrible snatchiness which these models are really renowned for. So yeah, if you want yours, then please give us a call.